Hello, today we're gonna create a game in Scratch. Pop a balloon. We don't need a cat, of course. Instead of it, we need to choose a sprite, balloon, and if we have a look at costumes, it can be blue, yellow, and purple. So we are gonna make them fall from the sky, and the more time passes, the faster they fall. Also, we are going to have lives there. Yeah, initially we'll be given 3 lives, and when no lives are left, the game will be over. So first of all, we need 4 variables. We need lives, we need score, we need time, and delay. First of all, let's set our variables. When a green flag clicked, we're going to set our variables. Set, because we have 4 of them. Lives equal 3. Score, when we just start our game, our score equals 0. Set time to 0 and set delay to 2. Then initially we are going to create several clones of our balloon. So we are going to work just with one sprite, but we will make copies of it. So we are going to take a forever loop and take the block, create clone of myself. Let's see. Yeah, so we have many balloons now. Okay, so now we are gonna write a code for our clones. When I start as a clone, we will make our balloons start from the top position, and to make it easier, let's choose the coordinates as a backdrop. Go to motion, go to X and Y. Now we can see that Y can be 180, so let's write it here, 180. And at the moment our X is -65, but I want our clones to appear from different positions, but from the top. So to do this, we are going to set random X. Go to operators, go to pick random, and our X can be from -200 to 200. So basically we're taking all numbers for X. Okay, now we can test it. I have lots of clones. Okay, now we are gonna make them fall. Go to control, and we are gonna put them inside the forever loop. Change Y. Yeah, if we want our balloon to fall down, we need to change Y, and let it be by -5. Let's see. Okay, now our balloons are falling down now. Okay, also, I would like to have different costumes for our balloons. To do this, we need to use looks, and here switch costume to. Now what we can see, we can choose different costume. We can choose different costumes, A, B, C, but I would like to have random costumes as well. And we have numbers for our costume. Costume 1, costume 2, and costume 3. Let it be like this. You see, now we can see different balloons. Now we are going to work with time and delay a little bit. First of all, let's do a code for time. When a green flag clicked, we are going to put it inside a forever loop. It means that whatever we have inside the forever loop will be repeated again and again. And every second, our time will be increased by 1. Okay, now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we are going to write a code for delay. Again, when a green flag clicked, we are going to put it inside a forever loop. Again, it means that whatever we have inside the forever loop will be repeated again and again. And then we are going to use for if blocks. And if time more than 10, if time more than 10, we will set delay to 1.5. The next one, if time more than 20, we will set delay to 1. If time more than 30, we will set delay to 0.6. And the last one, if time more than 40, we are gonna set delay to 0.3. It means that the more time passes, the faster our balloons will fall. So let's see now. Now our balloons will not fall yet, but we can see the differences in time and in delay. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1.5. It works. Now every time we create a clone, and I want my creation of clones to be dependent from delay. So let's do this. Wait for delay seconds. So it means that in the beginning, our clones will be created every 2 seconds because our delay is 2. And then for example, if 11 seconds have passed or 12 seconds have passed, our clones will be created every 1.5 seconds. If more than 20 seconds have passed, our clones will be created every 1 second. So it means that it will happen faster and more often. Okay, so now let's continue this code. We are going to use an if block here. And we are going to check the Y position. If Y position is less than minus 175, so it means that our balloon is somewhere here, we will delete the clone. Let's see. Delete this clone. Let's see what will happen. Now our clones appear, and then if they're down, they disappear. Okay. Okay, the next step. Also, I want to be able to click on the balloon, and every time I click on the balloon, I will hear a pop sound, and then my score should be changed by 1. Let's do this. So again, when the green flag clicked, we're gonna play sound pop. Sorry, not when the green flag clicked. When this sprite clicked, we need to find this one. When this sprite clicked, play sound pop, and then we are gonna change our score by 1. Yeah, because we've managed to click on this balloon, and after this we will delete the clone. Let's find it. Delete this clone. Okay, let's see what will happen now. Okay, basically it works. Also, we can see our first balloon, like our initial balloon, here all the time. For this reason, I want to hide it. Let's see. Okay, but now we cannot see any clones. When I start as a clone, here we need to show. Okay. Okay. Now it looks much better, so we cannot see our first balloon, but we can see its clones. That is what we want actually. And we haven't done anything with lives yet, so now let's add the code for lives. If our lives, so if our lives more than 0, if our lives more than 0, and if our balloon is somewhere here, it means that we haven't caught it, we haven't clicked on it, and that's why our lives should be changed by -1. If we failed to catch the balloon, our lives will be changed by -1. And then we'll also need to delete this clone. And if our lives equals 0, we want to stop the code. If our lives equals 0, if our lives equals 0, we will stop the code. Stop all. Well, I found a problem. The only problem was that we were changing lives by -2 instead of -1. So now I fixed it. The code should work, and we are gonna test it one more time. Okay, now our delay has been changed. Let's try to skip some balloons. Okay. Yes, it works. The only thing I want to do now is to change the backdrop. Now, it is not necessary to use the coordinates, so we can choose another backdrop, for example, blue sky. And here it is. So our code is over, everything works. I hope that you've enjoyed. See you next time.